Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3, factors and multiples, with complete exercise number 3.1, definitions and solution. Factors are the numbers that are divide a given number exactly is called a factor of a given number. For example, 18, 1, 2, 3, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. These words can exactly divide the 18. Multiples, all the numbers which are divisible by other number are called the multiples of that number. For example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. In the other words, we can say that these are the table of 2 and these digits are the table of 3. Even number, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even number, or we can say that all the multiples of 2 are even number. We can the set of even number is denoted by capital letter E. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 are exactly divisible by 2 and these are also the multiples of 2. Odd number, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd numbers which are cannot exactly divisible by 2. The numbers having exactly two factors, 1 and itself, is called a prime number. The set of prime numbers made by P. Here is only the factor of these digits are only 1 and itself. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1 and 7. These digits cannot show on the other digits table. Therefore, these numbers called prime number. The numbers having more than two factors are called composite number. The set of composite number is denoted by C. Here, the set of composite number 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's suppose C on 4. It's a composite number which has more than two factors, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Write all the factors of each of the following numbers. 21. 21 is exactly divisible on which number? We can write here 1, 3, 7 and 21. 21 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. 36 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 16. 48. The factors of 48 are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. 99. The factors of 99 are 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. Write the first 5 multiples of each of the following. 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. We just write the multiples of 3. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, here 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, here 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Separate the odd and even numbers. Students, we can say that odd numbers, the numbers which has last digit is odd, we can also say that it's a odd number. Last digit is even, it's a even number. Last digit is even, it's also a even number. Last digit is even, it's also a even number. Last digit is 7, which is odd number, it's also a odd number. Last digit is 4, we can also, it's a even number. Last digit is 6, which is even number, we can also say it's a even number. Last digit is odd number. This whole word is also called the odd number. Question number 4. List all the prime numbers between 10 and 15. Students, prime number are the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. Here is 11. 11 has two factors, 1 and 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Here question number 2, 25 and 60. 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59. Numbers between the 32 and 48, 37, 41, 43, 47. Numbers between 76 and 90, 79, 83, and 89. Question number 5. List all the numbers less than 100 which are multiples of 5 and 10. Multiples of 5, we can write the table of 5 less than 100, and we also write the table of 10 which is less than 100. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 4s are 20, 5s are 25, 5, 6 are 30. We write so on less than 100. List all the numbers less than 50 which are multiples of 3 and 4. We also write the table of 3 less than 50. Less than 50. We also write the table of 4 which is less than 50. Write all the composite numbers less than 20. Composite numbers are the numbers which have more than 2 factors. Let's see here. 4 have 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. 6 have 3, 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. 8 also have more than 2 factors, 1, 2, 4, 8. 9 also have more than 2 factors, and we write up to 18 which are less than 20. Write 5 consecutive composite numbers just below 50. We write the numbers 44, 45, 46, 48, and 50 which are less than 50. These are the composite number. Write all prime number less than 50. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. These are the numbers which have only 2 factors.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment the video. Thank you very much.